feel like you're in a daydream with these sandals from Chinese Laundry. These are really pretty with this crisscross strap design that has a nice soft feel to them, and they're super stylish, so they're gonna look great with a jumper this summer. I love that they have a soft lining inside with an awesome cushioned footbed, so you're gonna get a really comfortable feel in these all day long. There is a platform and then wedge at the back that's gonna boost you up about 3 inches in height, and they're very stylish but have a smooth feel to them. They do have an open toe design with an easy slip-on style, so you can throw these on your way to dinner. The grippy outsole underneath is going to be great for traction and will give you a stable feel under your feet.